Hello everyone. Since the end of the cooling season is quickly approaching, I thought I'd provide a quick update on the York TCD2B condensing unit we have here at work. But real quick, for an update, let's go inside to the evaporator coil. Okay, so since we're indoors now, the big problem that happened earlier this cooling season, really near the beginning of the cooling season, we had the line set kept freezing up, and it would freeze up all the way from the evaporator here all the way out to the condensing unit outside. So we had the technicians who installed this system come back. They looked at it, and they actually had to replace the entire evaporator coil. The entire coil, including the case, was completely replaced. And ever since then, we haven't had any problems. Initially, the tech thought it was a problem with the thermal expansion valve, or the TXV, in the evaporator coil itself. However, they replaced the TXV, I believe, and still had problems. So they had to take out the entire original evaporator and put in a new one. And that was a pretty much a whole day ordeal. But ever since then, the system has not had any problems in cooling. Knock on wood. So hopefully it continues to function properly and everything. But ever since that evaporator coil was changed, it's been keeping the building cool as it should be. It's actually done a very good job. This York has outperformed the 90s Lennox unit it replaced. The furnace that was originally here was a Lennox Pulse 21. So the furnace that they put in here, I have some videos of it starting up and everything. The furnace is a 95%er, and then the condensing unit is just a single stage basic condensing unit. Nothing really special about this system other than it finally works fine with the new evaporator coil. Haven't had any issues. So since we're nearing the end of the cooling season, I thought I'd just get a quick startup of both the condensing unit as well as hopefully the blower coming on. So I'll get those shot right now. Okay, so the York is running now. So on the outside here, nothing really changed. It was pretty much all the work that had to be done earlier this cooling season was all to the evaporator coil, as I mentioned, inside. But yeah, ever since then, it's been cooling just fine, thankfully. So yeah. So I'll let the I'll let the unit run for another minute or two, and then I'll go back in and shut it off so you all can hear it shut down as well. Okay, so now that we're back indoors, I'm gonna get some footage of the blower on the furnace starting up in fan only mode, and then in a couple minutes I'll start it up in cooling and also get some video of the blower shutting down. Without any further ado, let me go turn the fan on. Okay, so that was just fan only. That wasn't in cooling mode. Here in a minute I'll start it back up in cooling mode so you all can hear what the blower sounds like running on high for cooling mode. And then I'll also try to get some video of the blower shutting down. Okay, so that is startup and run and shutdown of the York furnace blower in cooling mode. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.